Baytna Baytak started last year with the emergence of the coronavirus by helping people find houses, and then it developed into something more after the August 4th explosion.
After the blast, the mission grew because Beirut needed us and needed people to volunteer at first.
The goal of Baytna Baytak was to reconstruct Beirut, obviously. It was to get as many families as possible back to their home before winter. We started with a priority of closing the windows and main doors, and now we're actually doing everything, so it's a whole scope of work.
With all the chaos that we had here, we had to create systems, processes, and fast ways to help people faster.
We needed a software in which we can put all of the details of each household. So you measure it with the contractor, you can add the pictures with the measurements, and you have all of your data for each team member in one software. I don't have to go and ask each person where the progress of all of their houses are.
FieldWire just makes it easier. You just pick up your phone, take pictures, they're uploaded online, so they're safe there. Put any description, any notes you want there, and it can be seen by all the teams.
We actually adapted FieldWire according to our needs, so we can give access to any engineer. They can communicate between themselves, and we can insert any document or image and generate reports.
Now with the click of a button, I have a full report ready that I can send directly to someone.
At least we're reducing the per engineer per day, we're winning 2 to 3 hours.
In the reconstruction, we're not only working with one person or one contractor. We've worked with 70 different contractors, and each one has a huge team of 10 to 15 people. So actually, we're also creating jobs.
It's nice to see also that we're building back Beirut from the destruction that happened on the 4th of August.
When I see the pictures before and after, I'm proud of what we're doing. I'm proud of the team. I could have never imagined that we would be here today.